Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm doing this one as a channel members only, but I may in a couple weeks make it open to the public. All right, so in that case, if you're seeing this and it's open to the public, hey, you got a bonus. You get to see what the channel members get to. This is just a simple unboxing, some things I ordered for me to use here. All right, so let me get the everyday carry, the brandy new one. Ooh, the one you can actually read the name on. All right, so let's go ahead and get the. I got two boxes here. Oh, one box, one bag. Okay, there we go. And what do we got inside? Another box! And of course, can anybody guess what might be in here? It's got the labels on it. Okay. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside. Some of you still probably aren't figuring out what it is. I got some batteries for my cordless tools, some extra ones. And, okay, definitely going to have to go on the charger. It's not only partially charged up here, so usually the ones I get are about, this size are about 500 milliamp hours. And I got some, and those were the ones that are actually from Craftsman. And then I found some other ones that were 600 milliamp hours. And then these are, I'm not sure if it's going to show it, 700 milliamp hours. And these are the same price as the 600 milliamp hour one. So I went ahead and I got two more. That way I have enough for all my tools, and now I will have two spares that I can have in the charger. So when I'm working hard on the stuff and it dies, I can grab another one, put it in there, and it can be charging up while I do it. And so anyway, so I got two batteries. Now for the unbagging. Let's see, is it going to work here? Sometimes these zip ones they have on here work. Up there. And sometimes they don't work. Okay, bag down. So I got something here. 7-day pill box. Here's what I'm using right now. And I've been using this for several years. Wow. Almost 6 years, almost 7 years now. And it's starting, the things that when you pop them open here are a little weird. Like they're gonna break soon. So plus of all the different stuff I'm taking, that one's getting kind of full. So I was looking the other day, finding since I'm gonna get a new one, and I found something fairly cheap. There it is. But wait a minute. It's not a 7-day, it's a 14-day. Cool! And the container hole here is bigger. I can fit this hole. I've already cut fit it in there with room to spare, so I'll be able to put everything in here. A couple times when I've been smashing stuff in here and I'm not paying attention, I have accidentally mashed the vitamin E oil. So this will give me plenty of room, and it'll make it easier so I can actually do like 2 weeks, especially when I go to drive to California. If I'm in the middle of the week here when I take off to go down there, I want to have a full set of vitamins while I'm down there, especially if I want to stay in a couple extra days. So this is going to make it a lot easier for me to do my vitamins. And it's a little bit harder to open than this is, which means the grandkids, when to see it, if they go and they don't get it open right away, so much the better. All right, so that is some of the stuff I got for me to help me out around here, to make life a little bit easier. And so if you want to see some more things that I've gotten, don't forget to check out the losing it here, folks. Don't forget to check out the unboxing playlist, which should have been back at the beginning and up here near the beginning of the video. But for now, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Gray Man Prepping. And then I'm going to put a playlist up here for the indoor garden. And I'm going to put another video you'll be interested in down here. See you around.